In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save your project in FL Studio when using the trial version by exporting it. Let's go through the process step by step. First, make sure you have FL Studio open and your project loaded. At the top of the screen, locate the menu bar and click on File. From the drop-down menu, hover over Export. You'll see several file format options like MP3 and WAV. Select the file format you want to export your project in. When you click on your chosen file format, a File Explorer window will appear. Navigate to the location where you want to save your exported file. To keep your files organized, you can create a new folder. To do this, right-click in the File Explorer window, hover over New and select Folder. Give the folder a name, open it, and select it as the destination for your export. Next, you'll see Export Settings. If you're not sure about these options, it's fine to leave them at their default values. However, if you want each track in your project exported as a separate file, enable the Split Mixer Tracks option. Once you're ready, click the Start button. FL Studio will export your project as an audio file. That's how you save your project in the trial version of FL Studio by exporting it. Thank you for watching.